Welcome to 10221 Eastview Street in Firestone, Colorado. This great home is located in the St Vrain neighborhood, which is a great neighborhood. You are very close to the elementary and middle school within walking distance. No need to worry about getting in the carpool lane. You are close to parks and open spaces in this neighborhood. The library is within a 10-minute walk. You have everything right here in this great neighborhood. So grab a cup of coffee or cup of tea, sit down. We are going to do a virtual open house tour of this home here in Firestone. So as you can see, we are currently in the foyer, or foyer, however you like to say that word. This is such a great open area. As you walk in, you can see the formal dining and living rooms. You can hang your coats. Your guests can leave their shoes at the door so they're not stepping through your beautiful hardwood floors. And these hardwood floors are in great condition. So it's such a nice, bright, welcoming, open space here as you walk into the home. Then we are headed to the formal dining room, and as you can see, there is a 6-seater table right here. You could likely put an 8 to 10 seat table right here, and this huge window brings in so much natural light into the home. You could also use this space as a living area. So if you are not formal dining kind of people, you could easily convert this space to a living room or playroom so you can keep an eye on the kids because it is right off the kitchen space. And here we are walking into the kitchen now. And I'll just show you how this connects. So this was the formal dining area. And then we walk into the kitchen. Now in the kitchen, we have updated granite countertops. These cabinets are in great condition. Stainless steel appliances, another nice size window over the sink. So while you're washing the dishes, you can look outside into your backyard. And one other great thing about this house is out here in the backyard, this is the neighbor's garage right here. You don't have another backyard backing right up to you. It actually backs up to the driveway and cul-de-sac. So some people like that, some people don't, but I think it's a great bonus because you don't have the neighbors looking straight into your backyard. This kitchen space opens up into your informal dining. So this is why you don't need to use that formal dining area if you are not a formal dining kind of person. It's not necessary. You can use this dining space here and you have your pantry right here. So there is a pantry in the kitchen. You don't have to come up with extra kind of space for your pantry. And then we head into the living area, and the TV here is kind of blocking, but there is a beautiful big window back here. And then your windows on the side, so lots of light coming into this room once again. The beautifully finished hardwood floors. And as you can see, these sellers have quite a big couch. You can fit some comfy, cozy couches in this space, or you could use that front space for the couches and TV and have this as more of a formal living area if you wanted to. Definitely have some options in this home. And then downstairs, to kind of round it out, is a quarter bath. So you have a guest bathroom here, toilet and sink, and it is right off the entry of the house. So if you got the kids coming in and you need them to wash their hands before they come in, you can have that happen right there. Okay, we are going to head upstairs. All right, so we are now upstairs, and this is such a great floor plan in itself. As you can see, it's a little open to that downstairs area, but this is a nice kind of lofted area. There's cabinets up here for storing things. You could tuck toys away. You could store the things that you seasonal decor. You can put whatever you like into those cabinets, but they are definitely handy to have. You'll see here on the plan that the master bedroom is away from the rest of the bedrooms, so it creates some privacy. And we are going to head into this primary bedroom now, which is such a great bedroom. So as you can see, we have a king bed here right now. We have the large window to let in light, the double doors. And like I said, it is tucked away to give it that private feel. And let's go check out the primary bathroom, because this is one of the things I absolutely love about this house. So we have our closet here. It's quite a big closet. You have your toilet, which we all need, storage right here, and then a beautiful walk-in shower. So the people previously redid this bathroom. You can see it's all tiled, beautiful walk-in shower, natural light, granite countertops, white cabinets, a big mirror, and newer flooring up here in this bathroom. It is such a spa-like bathroom, such a great spot to relax and hang out in. And like I said, it is tucked away from all of the other bedrooms upstairs. So let's swing back into the hallway and we will check out these other bedrooms. So here is bedroom 2. And this is towards the front of the house. Once again, a big window with lots of natural light. And you have your closet right here. And bedroom 3. And there is a 4th bedroom that is not coming up. I will show you that in a second. Here is the bathroom for upstairs. So as you can see, you have double sinks in this bathroom, a tub for the kids, tiled flooring. It's had some fixture updates, and it is really a great space for these bedrooms to share up here. And here is the 4th bedroom. So another good size room. You have your closet, big window, and this one is kind of separate also from bedroom 2 and 3 and the primary bedroom. And then you have to see this great laundry room up here. So the laundry room, washer and dryer included, has shelving, plenty of storage, a nice big separate laundry room on the upper floor. And I know a lot of people, especially those who have lots of kiddos, love to have an upstairs laundry room because it is just so much easier to do the laundry upstairs than having to go up and down the stairs in the house. So let's go take a look at the basement now. So we are in the basement. This is an unfinished space. It is around 700 square feet, so it could definitely easily be finished and turned into another living space, or you could use it as is for a gym. It's great to have a gym down in the unfinished basement because you don't have to worry about the sweat smells, but also it stays nice and cool no matter what time of year it is. And then this is also where your water heater and furnace and things like that live, and you have extra storage here underneath the house that you can use. So this is a great little additional bonus space. It's vented already. You could definitely finish it or just use it as it is. Also great for storage. And now we have headed back upstairs. We are out on the deck to finish the tour. This is a great wooden deck that spans quite a bit of the back of the house. So you have plenty of room here. You could put a hot tub on this deck, especially with the privacy screening here and nobody up the back here. See, this is what I was saying. Yes, you have the garage right here of this house, but you don't have a whole lot of windows peering in. You don't have other people in their backyards looking in. You kind of look out on the cul-de-sac, and I know that was something that the family that have lived in this house loved about the home. So this large deck, you have a grill, they have a fire pit table. You can also easily have a hot tub. There's space for your pets out here, for the kids. As you can see, they had a trampoline out here. You could put some gardens in and around. And this ends the tour of 10221 Eastview Street, Firestone. If you are interested in this home, if it looks like a house that you would love to live in, contact me, Hayley Bartlett with iGo Realty, 303-945-6092.